Today, we'll learn how to copy a specific file from one folder to another using the terminal in Ubuntu. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt and T on your keyboard. Next, we need to go to the folder where the file is located. Let's say your file is inside the Documents folder. To move into that folder, type cd-documents. Then press Enter. Now let's copy the file. We'll use a file called txt1.txt as our example. We want to copy this file into a folder called Backup, which is in the home directory. To do that, type this command: cp tst1.txt-backup and press Enter. If you see an error saying the destination folder doesn't exist, you'll need to create it first. To make the folder, type mkdir-backup. Then press Enter. Now run the copy command again, cp txt1.txt-backup. This command tells Ubuntu to copy the file named txt1.txt into the backup folder. To check if the file was copied correctly, type ls-backup and press Enter. You should see txt1.txt listed in the output. If you do, the copy was successful. This method works well when you know the exact name of the file you want to copy. And that's it. You've just learned how to copy a specific file from one folder to another using the terminal in Ubuntu.